So I hear this tapping noise. I haven't been outside yet, but I hear this tapping noise in bed. Sounds like a bird. So I came out here to look, and I saw the hole where the electrical cord goes into our anchor locker. We haven't used the anchor locker in a while because it's been on the wall. But doesn't that hole look just like a birdhouse hole? My guess is in there. Somebody's building a nest. Well, the context clues were all there, but public education failed me. Anyways, thought for sure there was a bird under there. There's a tapping noise out here. Anyways, we're going that way this morning.